갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네. 너 때문에 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐.
So guys, the first ingredient that we are going to use is potato. We are using potato because potato is very great to fight acne. It's very powerful to fight acne and dark spots. It helps to eliminate blemishes from our skin. It helps to brighten and lighten up our skin. It also helps to shrink our pores. So we are going to be using one potato and we are extracting the juice. So we are going to grate our potato and also we are going to extract the juice. And we also have other ingredients, other stuff that we are going to be adding to our acne fighting treatment. So we are using cucumber juice because cucumber is great for irritated skin, for sensitive skin, for people that have sensitive skin. Cucumber helps to shrink pores. Cucumber helps to nourish our skin. Cucumber is for every skin type, for dry skin and for oily skin. For those of you that have under eye dark cycle, yes, cucumber is going to eliminate under eye dark cycles. And we are also going to grate our cucumber because we are going to be using the juice of our cucumber. So right now guys, we are going to be extracting the juice of our potato and the juice of our cucumber. So we are extracting it because we are using the juice. So guys, if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. This is Diva Secret Organic Space. In here we do all organic. We take care of our skin, we take care of our hair, and we also take care of our health. So guys, feel free to subscribe, join the family, turn on the notification bell, and always share our video and like our video. And for my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. Thank you for always returning to watch my videos. Thank you so much. We are progressing. I love you all. So guys, this acne treatment is going to take care of your acne, your dark spot in a space of 7 days. So before you apply this treatment on your face, make sure to take after picture, like take a picture before you start applying this on your face, and after the 7 days also take a picture. Then you are going to notice the great change. You are going to notice a great change on your face. You are going to see how bright and clear your face is going to turn out. Yes guys, I'm going to divide this water, so maybe I will be needing it later, but for now I have to divide it. So this is it. I have to use this part. Maybe I will be using this later. So the next thing that I will be adding guys is my what they call it, orange, sorry guys, lemon juice. So guys, lemon juice helps to lighten up your skin. We all know that, so there is no more explanation. Everybody knows lemon juice helps to lighten up your skin. It helps to brighten up your skin. It helps to fade dark spots. It contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is very great when it comes to brightening, lightening, or even whitening of the skin. So for those of you that have sensitive skin, do not worry. Yes, do not panic, because the concubine is going to help to soothe your skin, to prevent your skin from getting dried or being sensitive to sunlight. But anyway, this thing that you are going, this mask that we are making, yes, this mask that we are making is supposed to be done at night. You're supposed to apply it on your face at night after the day's stress. After you're back from work, the day's stress, clean your face and apply your mask. So there's nothing like sun irritation. So I'm going to be applying this lemon juice. So guys, just like this liquid there, you can use it to clean your face with your cotton wool. For those of you that have acne, yes, for those of you that have dull skin, your skin is not looking bright at all, you can use this to clean your face. Use this to clean your face every day. Do not change, do not stop, like every day until you see possible results. And within a week, you are going to know that this stuff is the main thing. You are going to know that this stuff is the main thing. So the next thing that we are going to be adding is our rice powder. Yes, we are using rice powder. Rice powder is great for lightening of the skin. It's great for fighting pimples, melasma, dark spots, pigmentations. So this is going to help to clear your skin. It's going to help to brighten up your skin, and it's still going to serve as a thickener to our water base. So I'll be adding my rice powder. So we are going to give it a good mix. So after mixing, this is what it looks like. Yes, this is what it looks like. This is, you can see that it's foaming. So the reason why it's foaming is the potato juice. Like I said before, potato contains this great acid. It's not the scaring acid though, it's a normal food acid. Yes, most of the food that we eat, they have their own acid. So this is going to help to brighten up your skin. And also we are going to be adding yogurt to this, and the yogurt contains lactic acid. Lactic acid helps to brighten up your skin. It helps to lighten up your skin. It helps to smooth your skin. It helps to fight wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, and pigmentation. So you can see that I'm using 0.1% fat of lactic acid. So this is pure lactic acid, and this is a very mild, sorry guys, this is a very mild yogurt. This is a very mild yogurt, and it contains lactic acid. So we are going to be using 1 spoon of our yogurt. So I'll be using two teaspoons of our yogurt. Yes, 2 teaspoons of our yogurt, and we're going to stir it all together. Wow, this is looking so lovely. Wow, this is looking so lovely. So the other thing that we are going to be adding to it is our turmeric. So guys, make sure to get turmeric at home. This is the main deal. This turmeric and the lactic acid, sorry guys, and the yogurt and the potato juice are the main deal. Yes guys, go and get this. You can get this from your local shop. This is the main deal because this contains antioxidants, it has anti-inflammatory, it has antifungal property. Yes, this is the main bacteria fighter. This is going to help to fight. It's not fighting, it's going to kill them. It's going to kill acne. It's going to kill pimples. It's going to kill melasma. It's going to kill pigmentation. It's going to brighten up your face and give you this flawless looking face. So I'm going to be adding this. I'm adding 1 spoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to give it a good mix them together. So guys, this is it. If you find out that your stuff is too light, you can just go ahead and add you can just go ahead and add more juice. The other juice that we separated, you can add little to it so that your stuff can be soft, like how will I put it, sorry guys. So give it a good mix. So this is ready, guys. This is our facial mask. This is our facial mist. This is what you apply on your face every day. Do it every day. You apply it on your face and you leave it on your face for good 30 minutes. Allow it to dry on your face for good 30 minutes, then you can wash it off and follow with your moisturizer. So I normally use oil to moisturize my face. I have my facial oil which I use to moisturize my face after I apply this mask on my face. So this is it, guys. You just apply this on your face every day. Yes, you can keep this up to 2 weeks because the lemon juice is going to help to preserve your stuff. Yes guys, the lemon juice in here is going to help to preserve it. So this is good to keep in your refrigerator for 2 weeks. So guys, make sure to like this video, share this video, and leave your comments below, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more video from me. So this is what you use to help yourself at home to brighten up your face. So guys, see you soon in my other next video. Bye.